This is my bridge. Sadly, it's beyond. Just need minor repairs. Do a walk across it. You can see the boys have seen better days, for sure. For sure. Gotta try to stay on the pipe. There's some boards, but they're a bit thick. See the pipe ends right there. Didn't used to always, but you know, things happen. And back across. Let's try and stay on the pipe. Used to be a well company bridge. They don't use it anymore. Don't know why. Water's pretty deep. The water bridge down there is broken. That'd be another thing to fix, though. And I can't afford that much concrete. I can't even afford the boards to do this one, but we got some stuff from an old porch I'm patching in. It should last longer than the boards that are on it right now. First, if you look right here, it's the pipe going across the pipe that I was talking about to stay on. But going on the outsides of the pipe, or the insides of the outside pipe, the running boards, I'm gonna have to replace those. We'll take up all these old boards and start patching 2x4s in there from that old porch I was talking about. And get as far as I can go. It's a project and a half, but something to keep me busy, I reckon. Plus, I hate to see the bridge just fall down and be nothing. Kind of cool looking.